garden, and hence I thought to share some gardening tips with you. Two things that goes to the dustbin every day are actually two most nutritious things for your garden: human hair and tea leaves. Hear it to believe it. Every day, the hair strands that come off your brush that goes to the dustbin is actually a very good natural fertilizer for your garden because human hair is rich in magnesium. The second very important natural food for your garden is use tea.
Tea leaves are rich in iron and they are a good source of antioxidants. They improve the soil's ability to absorb and retain moisture. If you have roses, then the caffeine and tannin present in tea leaves will help the plant to flourish.
I hope you find my tips useful. So next time when you're having your tea, the used tea leaves in the pan should go to your garden and not to your dustbin. See you in the next episode of Tips by Tarana.